Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show dual clock on the home screen in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that tap on widgets. From here scroll down and find clock option. That's it. Then just tap on clock. Now from here scroll down again. And here you can see dual clock. Here you can find 4 kinds of dual clock widget. And you can add any widget on the home screen as you like. Suppose if you want to add this dual clock widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see dual clock widget has been added successfully. Now if you want to change your dual clock country or city, just tap here. Then tap on OK. Make sure that your location and Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Then just tap on the search icon and then search for any city or country. If I select New York and then tap on change, and that's it. You can see dual clock country or city has been changed successfully. Now if you touch and hold it and then tap on this settings icon, from here you can customize your widgets. You can also change your first city or second city from here, and from here you can change your background. You can enable or disable your background from here. And that's it. Then just tap on save and it's done. And that is how you can add dual clock on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.